The impact that advanced technology has on businesses is undeniable, and a responsible investment in technology can go a long way to meeting strategic long-term goals. New technologies can help companies streamline their processes, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. Technology can also help companies stay ahead of their competitors by providing the needed tools to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. One key to this competitive advantage is effective data collection and analysis. The use of data and analytics underpins Industry 4.0. Gathering, analyzing, and sharing data across the enterprise is the entry point to leverage manufacturing technology to create more value. The added benefits include improved productivity, decreased production costs, better resource management, and more profitability. The goal of manufacturing data collection is to monitor, measure, and optimize various aspects of the manufacturing process to improve efficiency, quality, and overall productivity. Unfortunately, not all data collection systems are equal. This is the perfect time to bring in today's guest, Cody Bann, Vice President of Engineering at Austin, Texas-based SmartSights, to discuss how manufacturers can achieve effective data collection and how, through the integration of agnostic advanced technologies and accelerator plugin apps, they can drive operational efficiencies. Welcome, Cody. All right, Cody, what challenges do manufacturers face when it comes to data and trying to improve their operational efficiencies?
So the typical challenges are incomplete data sets and inconsistent data sets. In today's manufacturing environments, good data collection is critical for operational efficiency as well as long-term strategic decision making. And what differentiates mediocre data collection from really great data collection is the ability to accurately and efficiently capture those critical events, even under complex conditions. See, complex lines have interrelated assets, and those interactions really need to be understood in order to perform accurate root cause analysis. So problems like downtime in secondary equipment or parallel operations or process flows create challenges that require a real holistic approach. It's these complexities that make the problem of incomplete data so prevalent and so challenging. Traditional methods such as monitoring only the bottlenecks of production lines don't suffice. Instead, a comprehensive solution really needs to aggregate data from various sources for a complete picture. And that can lead, in turn, to the other common challenge with data sets, inconsistencies. Often, plant personnel use manual data collection to capture losses or generate efficiency metrics. Or if they've embarked on an OEE journey, maybe they're doing line level data collection. But this information is often grossly inaccurate and with many, many gaps. Operators may misclassify downtime, may misclassify downtime reasons, or simply forget to log an event. And also they may feel like they're under pressure to inflate performance. And this is where many of the concerns over inconsistent data come from. But even if data collection is 100% automated, system delays and mapping errors and disparate data models also very much contribute to this concern. So data consistency, data completeness are the intermediate goals. Incorporating advanced software technologies can absolutely accelerate and drive OEE uplift and dramatically reduce that engineering time. And it's a big deal. For a $1 billion company, every 1% improvement in OEE is worth approximately $7 million annually. So anything to accelerate those gains or increase those improvements, even by a small amount, is definitely worth battling the challenges.
That's a pretty compelling stat. Wow. All right. Well, let's talk a little bit more about that then. We would love to know more about how real-time data is actually dramatically improving efficiencies for manufacturers.
Well, the alternative to real-time data is collecting data in batches, for example, at end of shift. And there's an inherent delay there, a long period of that incomplete data, and then an increased potential for inconsistent data when that data batch is finally added to the set. Moreover, tracking the performance of condition and machinery in real time enables teams to respond immediately to fault conditions or unplanned downtime. And it gives teams more immediate insights into bottlenecks and efficiencies, even potential future breakdowns, allowing for quick adjustments. And over time, that extra data enables manufacturers to make informed decisions that boost productivity and reduce cost. Additionally, the real-time data empowers manufacturers to detect anomalies and minor slowdowns in asset utilization, the so-called micro stops, that may otherwise go overlooked. And by leveraging these insights, manufacturers can identify inefficiencies, optimize production workflows, and proactively address maintenance needs.
Absolutely. Okay, so lastly, I know that not all manufacturers are dealing with the latest technology. Do you have any advice for how they could be more efficient nonetheless?
Yes, manufacturers frequently run more patchwork systems, and
Hmm.
for understandable reasons, as operations expand or assets are replaced. They're likely aware of how those systems complicate aspects like IT security and OT software upgrades. However, they may not be considering how these patchwork or legacy systems create data gaps or silos or data inconsistencies that are limiting their potential to optimize OEE. And that may resonate better with manufacturers who are now or recently were in the process of implementing a new EMES system. They may be more aware of this impact. But fortunately, modern OT software solutions provide connectivity with a variety of systems from various vendors. The rise of IoT and Industry 4.0 means that more things are talking to one another than ever before, all the way up the software stack. And so upgrading software at the SCADA layer and above may actually help reduce the overall cost and defer replacements below. Also, for MES specifically, I'd say MES accelerator apps allow organizations to see more immediate returns and gain valuable insights faster. So if you're considering adopting MES or upgrading your MES solution, certainly take a look at those offerings. Today's manufacturing plants require systems that integrate seamlessly, enable real-time insights, and scale with operations. And that means investing across the board in training and process automation and hardware and in software. And if your organization was on the fence about a potential upgrade, that perspective may motivate further adoption. So talk to your local SI, identify the right solutions for your organization.
Very good advice. All right. Well, thank you very much, Cody Bann from SmartSights. We appreciate your input today, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.